Students, last session we discussed about some of the important points about Tundra region, location and climate condition and vegetation. So in that base now you all are understood some of the special features we find in Tundra region. These like of special items or special climate conditions we cannot see in any other region. Now we all are understood. So on this based, now we are discussing on this based we can see some of the special features, some of the different animals we can find in that region, and other some of the special features also we can see in that region. So these are the matters now we are discussing. In last class what we discussed, the climate condition, vegetations, we cannot see these like of climate condition vegetations in other region. Is there in our country this like of climate condition? No. Only we can see only one region, that is Tundra region. So on this based, now we want to discuss about animals. So based on in Tundra region based on environment, some of the animals could not live in that particular area. So difficult to live in that particular area. So only some of the different types of animals only we can see in that region based on they want to face the climate condition. So on that based of the animals only we can find out in that region, in Tundra region. So on this based we can see some of the animals. So they already mentioned some of the animals, vegetables animals also we can see. That one only eat only plants, means moss and shrubs. So these like of animals, here they given some of the animals, here they given reindeer, next one muscas, after Arctic A. These like some of the examples. For this one only eating moss and shrubs. Next we can see another family of types of animals in the Tundra region. So that is predators. Predators means that these family animals only they eating animals. They could not eat any other plants. Only these family animals only they eating animals. So is the examples. These like of animals. For one is Arctic fox. Second one is wolf. This one both also best example for predators. Okay, next we can see here some of the polar bears and brown bears. So polar bears they have fat layer. So outer of body they have layer of fat, very fat skin layer. So what was the uses of this one fat skin? So they controlling the cold environment. Always they keep our body, means that particular animal body as a warm, means heat. So not only fox, we can see other animals also. What are the animals we are seeing in Tundra animals? The skin of the animals is some fat if we are comparing in other regions. So in that region skin is very fat for animals. So next, so these like of animals is one of the important feature in that animals category. We cannot see these like of features in any other families, means in any other region. Only we can see in Tundra region, that is hibernate. What is meant by hibernate? Means this much only. Animals always they active only in summer season in Tundra region. In other times, means is there only two seasons, one is summer, another one is winter season. Already told, most of the days in that region always expressing climate condition is winter, means so much of cold area, that also minus 50 degree. So only summer season only we can see the animals in Tundra region. So in that time the animals is storing the food. Only in the time they are more active. But in winter season they are not coming outside. So these like of special features we can see in Tundra region animals. Okay, next another point. Now we understood vegetations and animals. Now we want to discuss about people's lifestyle. How was the people's lifestyle in Tundra region? So how they, because of you all are knowing throughout year cold, sunrise also very less. So live, if you people they want to live means some of the difficulty in that particular area, but still people they live in this region. So now that only we are discussing in the tundra region how the population is living, how is there. If you are counting the population, that is very less. We cannot see how is other country or other region, other climate condition. For example, we can see in torrid zone. So in that place, in how is that population, this like of population we cannot see in tundra region, because of to live is very difficult in tundra region because of throughout year is very cold. So we cannot see that much of population, but we can see some of the families is living in tundra region. So that only we are discussing one by one, and these are the peoples. They are like they are not living a permanent place. They are inhabit, means they permanently they are not living any one particular place. They are always changing the place because of you all are knowing in that region that is not suitable for live, because minus 50 degrees Celsius temperature, peoples, human beings could not live. So on that base we can see different types of families. They given one is they given Intus, means Esquimaux. We can see these family peoples we can see in Greenland, Northern Canada and Russia and Alaska. In these countries in we can see. Just you have to see page number 266. They are given the families. First one Eskimos. Second one family they given Laps. Laps they given another name Sami. So these family peoples we can see in some of the area. One by one they are given the country's name. First one they given Scandinavia. Next one Norway. Next one Sweden, Denmark, Finland and Iceland. And next one family are they given Yuctas. They majorly they are located in Northern Asia, means Eastern Siberia. Next one Saimet of Siberia, majorly peoples there in Russia. And another one is Koryakos and Chukchi is there in northeastern Siberia. These are the important families or peoples group we can find in Tunga region. In Tundra region. These are the important families peoples. They are nomadic, means like a tribes. Why they tribes? Because of in that region peoples they could not adapt agriculture, because already you are knowing that is not a land to suitable for a agriculture or cultivation, because of throughout year that land is covered by snow. So this land is not suitable for agriculture. So always they shifting the place peoples. They could not live in one place as a permanent. They always shifting the place. So they are saying as a nomadic peoples. Nomadic means like a tribe. And most of them they want to travel one place to another place, because that area is full covered by ice. So they using animals to shift things, or they want to shift one place to another place. They using travel as a animals. But nowadays they adjust with the climate condition, and peoples they settle in any one particular place and they living, because they adjusted with climate condition. So these like of features we can see in Tundra region. So these are the important matters about animals and peoples. Next class we can discuss next topic. Okay, thank you, bye.